Hello folks, it's Ben. I'm with the Red Barn Homestead channel on this particular video. If you're like me and you needed a new barbecue grill, now's the time to do it. They tend to be on sale. We ended up going to Walmart for the Backyard Grill brand 4-burner gas grill. It's a little bit fancy. It's for $198 Canadian. Has a 25 burger capacity. There's a little bit lower end one, but the key thing that brought me to this particular one was that it has a cast iron cooking grate. Because the two things that die on grills is all of this is always good, but the burners rust out and the cooking surface rust out. So with cast iron, we're looking good there. Whether or not the burners live, who knows? But anyway, let's unbox it and assemble it. Get her going. Start our adventure. Oops. So it looks like we have some legs. This will be about 4 of them. Well, I guess before I get yanking, we'll pull the cardboard out. We got 4 corner cardboard pieces. We've got 4 legs we'll set aside right now. Looks like 2 have little wheel stubs on them already. And they're marked part 1, so that's going somewhere. Next we have strip. Another cross piece it looks like. It's got 2 bits on each end. We have the instructions, which I will read after opening this. We have the bun warmer. This is the 2-level grill, so there's a main cooking surface and then a surface above it, and that just seems to be enameled steel. And then we have a large piece of cardboard, which gets to fill up our landfill. And then we have the heart of the unit here, which seems to be the lid. And there's plastic in the box. Looks like this is all one assembly. That's convenient. That seems to be attached down here. Thermometer, that's useless, but awesome. And yeah, so let's, I'll tripod it and lift it out of the box here. So we have an assembly instructions and then an operation instruction booklet. Stop, check thoroughly, call us if you're missing parts. Cast iron grill assembly. 1 screw. And that's it for the box. The rest of the box is empty except for cardboard, so we'll throw our trash in there and move on with assembly. Apparently there are a bunch of parts in the grill, which makes sense from a shipping perspective. Get in on a little bit more detail here. Looks like we've got just a metal twist tie actually, holding all our plastic on. Tank connection. Other gas connection for the side burner as well. I think, I'm not sure yet. Already touched it. And it came with a little ding up there, which is a shame because it is stainless steel. Some more necessary parts and some plastic we're gonna have to cut out. So let's get some snips on that. We have some leg hardware taped to that box. I guess we'll lift it out and see what's in here. So what's left inside are our burner assemblies, which are pre-assembled. Little locking pins. Like I said, this is the most likely component to rust on a grill, I've found. So for the instructions, we'll have to install the little over covers, but that's not too bad. But the instructions start off with the legs. So I'm guessing it's in this box over here. We'll start there. We'll leave it on the styrofoam for now so we don't hurt anything. Cross pieces for the legs. This is the side burner assembly, it looks like. Which we'll be assembling once we get the main grill together. Appears to be our small component box with all their knobs and our screws, and it sends extra. That's always a nice touch. And grease etching pan. Looks like some more things. Propane tank holder. I believe this is the other side, which does not have a burner. Put that over here. And then empties that box. So we have most of everything open, so that's the unboxing part of our show. Let's go on with the assembly.